Hey everyone! Today we're talking about something most of us have felt, but struggled to define. When someone doesn't fully choose you, there's no big fight. You might still be talking, but something has shifted. The attention is there, just not the priority. The connection exists, but the certainty doesn't. So what do you do in that situation? Try harder or step back? Let's break it down. There's something strangely painful about realizing someone didn't fully choose you. There wasn't a big fight, no dramatic betrayal. Maybe you're still talking. Maybe you still play games together. Maybe they even smile at you sometimes. But something shifted. You feel it. You don't need proof. You just know. They don't treat you badly. They're not disrespectful. Sometimes they're still sweet, but you're not the priority anymore. And that's what hurts. Everyone wants to be chosen, not tolerated, not kept as an option, not placed in a "let's see what happens" folder. Chosen. Most people make the same mistake here. They try harder. They become more available, more attractive, more understanding. They upgrade themselves, but for the wrong reason. If someone needs to be convinced to choose you, they already didn't. Real choice is clear. Hesitation is not love. It's uncertainty. Sometimes when someone shifts their energy to someone new, it doesn't mean you weren't enough. It can mean they're chasing novelty or ego validation. But here's the truth. When someone truly wants you, their energy doesn't scatter. Focus reveals intention. So what do? You don't create drama. You don't manipulate. The strongest move is pulling your energy back. Not to punish, not to make them jealous, just to reclaim your focus. Because right now your mind is running in circles, and that drains you. Drained energy isn't attractive. Calm energy is. Sometimes what you miss isn't the person, it's the intensity. Uncertainty creates adrenaline, and adrenaline feels powerful. But intensity is not always love. Sometimes it's just your nervous system reacting to instability. Ask yourself something hard. If they came back tomorrow, what would really change? Would they suddenly become consistent? Or would the same cycle repeat? Wanting them back might not be about love. It might be about ego, about proving you are worth choosing. Staying where you're not fully chosen slowly damages your self-respect. Every sweet moment gives hope. Every distant moment knocks you down. That emotional roller coaster feels addictive. But you are not an option. You are not a backup plan. There is power in stepping back with quiet confidence. When you stop competing, you regain control. When you stop chasing, you become steady, and steady is powerful. If they step up with clarity and consistency, you evaluate from strength, not desperation. At the end of the day, you cannot force someone to prioritize you. You should never audition for a role in your own life. You deserve to be chosen without hesitation. And if someone hesitates while you stand right there, that hesitation is already your answer.